Alright, some things you'll need is a curling iron, 2 clear elastics, 1 black ponytail gel, hairspray, and rhinestone hairpiece. This video is from about 2 years ago, so bear with me. I am just redoing the voiceover part to make it a little bit more clear. First, you will middle part the hair from the front all the way down to their neck. You'll want to put one side in a ponytail just so it doesn't get in the way when you're braiding the other side. Then you'll start on your braiding. I know a lot of people French braid, which is fine, but instead of French braiding, we are Dutch braiding. So instead of pulling the strands over, you're going to pull them under. It's the same movement, you're just pulling under and under and under and under. You'll never pull it over. You'll want to braid about 1 inch to their neck, and then when you have that braided down, you'll put your clear elastic in. Then you'll start on the next side and repeat the same process. Then you will put both together in a black ponytail. And then if your daughter has thinner hair, then I would just pull out some of the braid a little bit, not too much, that's going to be way too loose, but just a little bit so it looks a bit more fuller. You will then add in the rhinestone hairpiece, and then the look is almost finished. Just make sure you add hairspray and gel and bobby pins when needed, because the judges do not like when they can see a whole bunch of hair just flying around on stage. Here's some photos of what it's supposed to look like. Again, this was taken 2 years ago, so the girls look a little younger.